Look how beautiful my taxi driver today looks. Sexy taxi. Going on a boat trip. Today we're gonna take that boat with 12 people. Nah, this one. Taking the school boat up to the beautiful island somewhere here near Phuket. It's a really cool boat. Yeah, it's a fast boat. I think it's like 500 horsepower or something. Like for this very light boat. It's a light boat with full power engines. 2 big ones. You wanna live there, Jessa? Our new house? No? The left one. First stop, guys, Muslim village, floating in the sea, above the sea. Look how beautiful. They even have a mosque. We were here like 20 years ago and it was like only like 3 or 4 of these restaurants, and now it's like, it's a huge village. Beautiful. I need to check out. Always nice to walk around these villages here in the middle of the sea. A lot of things changed in the last 20 years, guys. 20 years ago it was like really small, now it's becoming a village. You even have like a school here with a sports field. Look there, international school. Lost, we don't know where to go. There's another coffee bar. Oh yeah. It changed really a lot. Look, even Teddy is not allowed. And no pigs.
I'm talking Neighbours.
I am here. I'm not allowed. Jess just said that I was not allowed. She's blocking her face again. Ever thought about playing football in the middle of the sea? In Thailand you can do it. In the middle of the fisherman fishing village is Romano singing, of course. Beautiful fisherman village, and then we get modern as well because bam, and we have a very modern coffee shop nowadays. A very good coffee. And then we continue into the fisherman village again.
Funny seafood.
Unbelievable, okay. 750 cc, they are fast. Private taxi, guys, private taxi. Of course. James Bond Island. Popping.
Met de golden gun. Met de plastic gun.
Plastic gun.
Oh, dat is grappig. Wat hebben ze niet gedaan?
That island, there was like one scene recorded of the James Bond movie. I think it's The Man with the Golden Gun. It was recorded over here, so now it becomes a touristy place for the rest of the life of Thailand. So cheers guys to James Bond. I was James Bond when I was younger. 007. I'm the only one, the only 0021. 21 million bitcoins, of course. Hello James Bond Island. Cheers to James Bond Island. Jessa? Jessa, no? Jessa? One? Ja, actie! Yes, one! Okay, give it another try. Next stop, guys. Next stop, this little pretty island. For some drinks, some swim. Beautiful. Tents, camping time.
I was fucked up. I saw Mr. Miyagi. Watch this, like playing with them all naked and shit with oil. And there's so much oil around, bro. It's like
Jessa loves to smash it, like bam. Jessa.
This is like fucking billionaire bullshit. You know? This is so fucking crazy. It's too funny. It's life is too funny.
Badminton with a beautiful view, guys. Cup and cup. And of course a drink. Cup and cup.
야, 썰어달래.
Beautiful sunset, guys. Normally the moon will start to rise somewhere over there later now. Amazing. Hope you really enjoyed the windy sound. Hope you really enjoyed the whole video today. Amazing trip again here in Thailand. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about these videos?
Wanna be
purple haze buckets.
Bucket. Did you have your seats today?
So, we had pussy juice.
Push it, juice.
Wanna be free. Finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. Finally. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally.